So today, I am going to present about the porous asphalt pavement. For the introduction, it allows water to drain, open-graded asphalt concrete, open-graded friction coarse, and permeable asphalt. Stormwater management allow the water to spread over and does not require additives. Porous asphalt. Lower concentration of lines, voids more than 20%, polymers and or fibers can be used, mixed at a standard asphalt plant, and recharge bed built of stones. For the design criteria, for the slope, limit surface slope to 5%, construct bottom as flat as possible, use conventional HMA for steeper slopes. Avoid compacting soils during construction and avoid excessive earthwork. This is an example of the section of a porous asphalt pavement. Construction of pavement for the parking lot. Excavated without heavy equipment compacting the bed bottom. Non-woven geotextile is laid. Clean, uniformly graded aggregate is placed in the bed as the storage media. The asphalt is laid down just like standard asphalt and compacted. Standard pavement versus porous asphalt. Comparison of the dense graded asphalt pavement and the porous asphalt pavement. For the dense graded asphalt pavement, it is low visibility, water splash and spray, and traffic noise. For the porous asphalt pavement, it is high visibility, secured skid resistance, and quiet. Advantages: flood control, recharges groundwater to underlying aquifers, extended pavement life due to well-drained base, maintains traction while wet, reduce spray from traveling vehicles, reduce roadway noise, and allows for reduction of stormwater infrastructures. Disadvantages: requires routine vacuum sweeping, accidental seal coating will cause failure, and quality control for material production and installations are essential for success. This is the end of my presentation.